we're going to install this smoke detector here, smoke alarm. And this is just a regular smoke alarm that's required by code to go in these homes. And this is just like, they were 14 something at Home Depot. I think they just went up to like 16 something. But they're inexpensive, very common. It's a FireX. And it takes the 9-volt battery in here. And if these batteries don't read at least 9.5 volts, these things will start chirping. I'm sure you've experienced how these things are. They start chirping in the middle of the night. They're like a toothache. They always chirp at the wrong time. So I already wired it. Here is the neutral. They're kind of color coded really. The hot, the line. And this right here is what connects all the red one is what connects all the smoke alarms together. So when one of them goes off, it sends a signal to all the rest of them. And so that's why it's difficult to tell which one is chirping and the problem, which one is the problem. But we're going to install the base here on this. These are usually off just a little bit. They're never really right on. Let's see. So what we're going to do here. I'm going to back it out a little more. So I might just put it, these things are just a hair off, so enough to make it a little bit difficult. Let's see. This one it. Yeah, it's just not, they never are lined up just perfectly, so you're just going to have to mess with it a little bit. I don't want to overdo it. Oops. So, just got the little plug here, you just plug in. Plug in, it snaps together here, and it's got the little tabs here that go right up into the slot there. You just put it to the right. Okay, that needs to be tightened up a little more. We'll tighten this up. Okay. So it's not a perfect thing, but it'll hold and it does the job. Now, your home, if you have gas running to your home, like for gas stove, the gas dryer, or gas water heater, then they would require you to have a CO2 for carbon monoxide smoke detector. So it serves for two. It's an alarm for the regular smoke from a fire and the carbon monoxide that may be coming from the gas. And those are more expensive. They're like around $50 or $60. So anyway, that's that.